morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to Mulan.
Welcome to our vlog. Yeah.
So for today we'll go
We'll go where?
to LUGNASON Falls.
LUGNASON Falls, where we visit that 2 years ago or 3
3 years ago.
last time. So yeah,
I think they were
we're
closed.
curious to how it looks like now.
They were closed like because it was dry.
It was dry, it was pandemic, you know, so
So yeah, see you there.
see you there. We need to tank the Starship with this very expensive fuel now, huh? Very serious, huh? Smiling.
Excitement, Alice.
Just take him out of the house, huh?
He's like, you know, never been outside. Yeah. How you like outside, Anton? Really?
You know what? I don't remember this.
Alzheimer's disease. You know?
I remember like we've been here with Wojtek.
Been here first with Wojtek and his former girlfriend. So it was my first time. Then the second time we visit here like with Adam, the girlfriend of Adam, Marcin, Alex, but it was dry.
Ah, okay.
So we go to the store and drink a beer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't remember this.
Alzheimer's disease, you know.
I think it's here. So it's like one of the tourist attraction here. It's like bit commercialized.
What is your nationality, boss?
Polish.
Polish.
Oh.
Kurwa.
Shit.
Kurwa mać. Jak pierdolę.
Good.
Manu Jomek.
Siemano ziomek.
Siema, siema.
Very good, huh?
See you, boss.
See ya.
Enjoy jumping, huh?
Oh.
Where is the way?
Go. I will take Anton.
Yeah, the kuya said now it's like full of water. Because he asked me if this is our first time. I said sorry kuya,
Show
but
yourself.
this is our third time actually.
Show. Yeah.
So hard this.
Be
you know.
careful, huh?
Don't like to damage my face. It's already damaged. Should wear shoes, but I'm wearing slippers, flip-flops. Shit. Anton, say hi to your fans. Hi. Hi. It's like, you know, typhoon
It's not far from the
highway.
from the road.
I'm so beautiful here, you know, with this GoPro, not in the other camera.
Okay na dong?
Okay na.
So, that's the main waterfall, but then you can hike the river up and there is like a more small. But hold good, you know, so you don't fall here. You need to go to the water, huh? Calix resign, huh? A lot of water, huh? We have perfect conditions. Beautiful. You know, my plan is to hike the waterfall, and the next one and the next one just follow the river up. scuba, see. What?
I should wear my bikini, huh?
Yes?
How to jump?
You want to get wet? See guys, you can have like a tour walking around, but I prefer to go through the falls. Much more funny. I think we're coming to the end because I can see the bridge. I cannot see what's under the water, you know, so it's tricky too, you know. Can be some rocks, can be mud, like a hole. It's worth it, huh? Yeah, that's the end. And there is a party. Ayo. What's that? Birthday? Birthday party?
And then
No?
that it's a bike race.
Ah, the bike trail. Like the cross.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, huh? How are you, my friends?
Okay.
I'm just Shokoy from the river. Shokoy sa
Wala na ka payuron dito sa sagan?
Baha?
Yeah, baha.
Baha?
Shokoy sa baha.
Shokoy sa Baha.
Wala na ka
Get some brews, huh?
Oh. What happened?
Yeah, it's slide. Because you know, I go from the Lugnason, from the down. I like climb the waterfalls. I will just take a quick look and go back because my family is there. Have fun. You starting? No? No?
Only watching. Jump.
Oh. I just show you this quick. What's going on here?
Time check.
Oh, they starting like
45 ba close ka sa kwan.
1 p.m. Okay. Snacks. Ayo. Now I need to go back. You know, just by the road. You can see the ocean. And Silinog Island. Oh. I don't know if you can see this because that's just the GoPro. Ah.
We just arrived.
Yeah, so we have perfect timing, huh?
Yeah.
There is like a motocross contest, you know. So more pain, huh? Have some alcohol.
No pain, no gain.
Shit. Ah. Ah!
Dear man, where is your bayag?
Now very shrink. Okay, let's go, huh? We get hungry, you know, like after, especially me, you know. Now Marikar is always hungry, so.
You said especially you. Why are you pointing to me?
No, I'm thirsty.
I'm not hungry.
But what you can tell about this place here?
We have pizza here. Many like Filipino food.
Yeah, this is
Pizza. What is this?
the place is
White
named White Food Court,
food court mini bar.
and they have like best pizza in San Juan.
They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Best pizza in San Juan, and it's like not so expensive. You know, it's like worth the price. You have like a good value, quality to price, and they have many, you know, many choices and even normal meals. But I never try. I only...
Stop.
Hey, sir, proszę to zostawić. You can see here. Anton.
No.
Tak, tu są ceny. There is the prices.
Excuse.
Mainly, let's see, like the most expensive is 300 peso pepperoni overload, but you can have pizza like for 220 also. It's along the highway, you know, like in front of tourist backpackers, and just after Fumiko. I think Fumiko is close, you know. I don't know why. I need to ask. Still Maite, but like the end of Maite, there is already two boats. Draga.
Yung aso ba? Yung mata? Kasi...
Marikar, show me the eyes of the dog.
But you know the dog there in Dumaguete, it's very nice, the husky. They look devil.
So you like devil look? My God.
You know, I'm demonita.
Demonica. And the chef's pizza. It's like cheese,
Escudero.
bacon, black olives, capers. Marikar have a coffee, you know. She need to raise the blood pressure, you know.
I want to be more nervous.
Of course. But look at that happiness on the face because she have food. Ananas, pineapple.
Yum yum. Sabi ng mukha ito.
You will eat bacon? Dawaj. You know, so he's choosing good, you know, like the most healthiest ingredient from the pizza.
Thank you, Tay.
Salamat.
So we have takeout for Natasha. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. I know, I'm sleepy now, you know.
Huh? Mo? Mo! Ale sobie je, tak?